public ministries. So I've listened very attentively to what he shared with me about his work, and I offered my help, policy on areas that he thinks that the Singapore and Timor-Leste can be
Anissa neta você atene, apontou muda a ambassade da Singapura, quase pula lua. E também há a responsabilidade a tudo ele assumado ou membro do governo. Hoje há uma oportunidade a sua excelência do ministro, também duas discutir com a colaboração entre os Timor-Leste e excelência Neves actividade para Neves excelência Halo e Singapura juga oportunidade a todos de ajuda aí a Neves para Singapura de ajuda juga
Mas mesmo que be discute com a colaboração de Smack Saiden.
in collaboration what you
what we had was very broad discussions on various areas, nothing really very specific at this point in time. But again, as I mentioned earlier on, I stand ready to be at the service of the minister if he feels that there's some areas that the two countries can be leveraged in the activity.
Hoy kami diskusi asunto nebe para kebetulan. Kita sedang sama ia diskusi ba asunto spesifik tidak. Mai tarik abang bairua maka ministro antara ki asunto spesifik lebih tabele diskusi Singapura turun tubuh hati bele alo diskusi para basto. Mai hoy how my visita anu nerua kuliah para kia area nebe para Thank you. Obrigado, Barak.
Obrigado.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I think I can make card.
You didn't have?
Yes.
So, do you have a name? We just over here.
Oh,
okay, then.
Asesor. Ajuro foto naran na manjoni. Ajuro foto ni naran.
Aceite foto, please. Yes. We've been communicating.
he just
yeah.
arrived yesterday.
Yesterday, I've been communicating with, I don't know. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you very much.